It's becoming increasingly common for businesses to use video marketing to connect with their customers and drive sales. But what makes your ad stand out when so many people are trying to get our attention? Here's the secret sauce: video marketing. HubSpot says 80% of users remember a video ad from the last 30 days. That's why incorporating video in your marketing strategy isn't just powerful, it's also the best way to ensure your message sticks. If you're a business owner grappling with using video, don't be afraid. These stats prove the power of video marketing. You can drive the results you need for your business if you create ads that capture the attention of your audience and make a lasting impression. You can do that. Create memorable ads that will leave a lasting impression and watch the marketing efforts pay off. There's no denying that videos really are the way to go.
If you're looking to harness the power of video, one of the best places to start is by creating Expertgrams that position you as an industry expert. For more information on how Expertgrams can help build your brand, increase website conversions, and reach more customers, contact our expert guest at 518-396-5885 or click the link in the description on this page. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.